What is up mga ka-tech shop? So for today's video, I'm working on an iPhone 11. No power issue. So actually I was not able to fix the issue. However, this is a special one because the phone has been returned to the customer, and the customer just messaged me and claiming that the battery is bloated, and during my troubleshooting I don't remember anything bloated on the battery, so I'm not sure how it got bloated. The customer told me that they brought the iPhone to another shop, and then the technician told her that the battery is bloated and that might be the reason why it's not turning on. So I'm not sure if they fixed the issue, but during my testing I replaced a new battery and it did not work. So my conclusion for that phone is that there's a problem with the motherboard. The reason why I'm uploading this video to YouTube because I want to show the customer that the battery is not bloated during my testing on the original battery that they had on the iPhone 11. So let's go ahead and check it together. By the way, all the tools that I'm using on my repairs is on the description, so don't forget to check it. And also don't forget to check Enroll Asia link. So if you sign up with that link, you might earn extra income. So check the link on the description. So I'm using this tool. So this tool is used to open up LCD screen for iPhone devices. This is to avoid cracking the LCD. This is gonna suck the LCD, and using a prying tool, the color blue, you pry the edges of the screen to cut the glue. And then there you go, I was able to open the LCD of this iPhone 11, and also this holder has LCD holder as well, using a suction cup. And as you can see in the battery, it's not bloated, it's flat. So according to the customer, it's a new battery. They just replaced it on April, and she doesn't think that it's a battery issue. So when I tested it, it still doesn't turn on. So what I did is I unplugged the battery from the main board and then plug it back again, and it still didn't work. It doesn't even charge. Yeah, as you can see on the battery, it's just flat, so it's not bloated, right? And let's remove the metal plate that protects the flex cable for the battery, and then let's unplug the battery. Usually for iPhone no power issue, it will be fixed by unplugging the battery and plugging it back again. But in this case, it did not turn on, so most likely there's a problem with the battery or the motherboard. And also customer told me that they dropped the phone, but I don't see any damage on the screen or on the back cover. So luckily it did not break the LCD or the back cover of the iPhone. Usually it's gonna break the LCD or the back cover when you drop an iPhone. So here I tested it again after plugging back the battery, and it didn't turn on. So I advise the customer that we will order a new battery, and then we get the new battery after 1 week. Now I tried unplugging the LCD and then plugging it back again just to see if it will work. And also I measured the voltage from the charger going to the charging flex cable, and there's a voltage, so meaning the voltage reaches to the motherboard. It's just that there's a problem on the motherboard, that's why it won't turn on. So here, plug in the charger, and I took the multi-tester, and as you can see, the voltage reaches to the flex cable, 5.08 volt. So it reaches to the flex cable of the charging, and then the battery is 2.8. So usually it's 3 volts. Maybe the battery is drained, and when I plug in the charging flex cable to the motherboard and test the battery port, there's a voltage of 3 volts, so meaning it should charge the battery. But the problem is it won't turn on, the phone won't turn on. So clearly there's a problem, either the battery or on the motherboard. We ordered a new battery and it arrived after 1 week. So here it still won't turn on, and it's not even charging. So yeah, we'll just we decided to order a new battery. So 1 week later, the battery arrived, and as you can see on the video, it's an original battery. You can see on the backs there, it says original battery for iPhone 11. So I tested this new battery, but unfortunately the phone still won't turn on. And as you can see on the battery there, the original on the iPhone 11, it's still flat, it's not bloated. So I'm not sure why it got bloated after she brought it to another shop. But as you can see on the screen, the battery is not bloated. The purpose for this video is just to show if the battery is bloated or not, because the customer is claiming that the battery got bloated after I checked the phone. So it's not bloated based on this video, and I don't remember anything like a bloated battery when I tested it. So alright, that's it for today, and if you're interested in this kind of video, just don't forget to like and subscribe. And if you have suggestion, you can put it on the comment down below, and don't forget to check the links on the description. You might want to sign up on the Enroll Asia link to promote items, and you may earn extra income through that link. Alright, let's go.